Hello, first graders. All right, here we go. Let's do our sounds. Let's see how quick we can do them. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, Pam, P. Q, U, queen, Qu. R, rat, S, snakes. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. WH, whistle, W. SH, ship, sh. CH, chin, ch. TH, thumb, th. CK, sock. Oh, there's a glued sound. ALL, ball, all. All right, good job, first graders. All right, now what we're going to do, are you guys ready? It's your turn to do your sounds. I want to hear you do them. Are you ready? Oops. Here we go. That's right. V, van, V. What's this letter? That's right. It's A, apple, A. What is this letter? That's right. It's CH, chin, ch. What's this letter? That's right. It's O, octopus, ah. What's this letter? SH, ship, sh. What's this letter? That's right. It's ALL, ball, all. What's this one? That's right. It's U, up, All right. What's this letter? That's right. It's TH, thumb, th. What is this one? That's right. G, game, G. That was kind of tricky. We weren't used to that picture. All right. What's this one? E, ed, E. All right. What's this one? N, nut, N. All right. What's this one? I, itch, I. What's this one? CK, sock. What is this one? WH, whistle, W. All right, let's do our vowels. Get your fingers ready. Here we go. Ready? I, itch. All right, you ready? You, up. Okay, let's do this one. E, ed. Make sure you're doing it with me with your finger. Okay, let's do this vowel. A, apple. All right, this one. O, octopus. Very good job. All right, let's review our words of the day. Are you ready? Let's tap them out. K, all, call, call. All right, let's mark call. Call has a glued sound, so I'm going to put a box around the glued sound. It also has a bonus letter, so I'm going to put an L above the bonus letter. All right, let's read the next one. Get your tappers ready. Here we go. Much. All right, let's mark this word. That's right, I should underline the diagraph and put a brief above the short U. All right, let's read the next one. Get your tappers ready. Here we go. Fix. All right, let's look at it. I have a short vowel, so I'm going to mark it with a brief. All right, let's tap this word out. Shut. All right, let's mark it. I have a diagraph. Oop, I also have a short vowel. All right, let's do the next one. Quit. All right. I have a short vowel. I'll mark the short vowel, quit. All right, let's tap this word out. Fill. Make sure you're tapping it with me. All right, it's a bonus letter, so I'm going to put a star above the L, and it's also a short vowel, fill. All right, our next one, are you ready? Chill. All right, we're going to underline the diagraph, put a brief above the short vowel, put a star above the bonus letter, chill. All right, the next one. Quick. Quick. All right, let's put a brief above the short I and underline the diagraph. Do you guys see? Put a brief above the short vowel and underline the diagraph. All right, last word. Are you ready? Let's do this one. Tap it out. Thick. So I need to mark it. I put a underline the diagraph, put a brief above the short vowel, and underline that diagraph as well. All right, good job, first graders. All right, let's review our trick words. Are you ready? This word, I want you to say it. Is. Okay, what is this word right here? That's right, it's said. All right, what is this word? That's right, it's your. What is this word? That's right, that word is one. What is this word? That's right, it's into. All right, what is this word? That's right, that word is two. What is this word? That's right, that word is you. What is this word? That's right, that word is for. What's this word? That's right, that word was. What is this word? That's right, that word is into. What's this word? That's right, that word is she. What's this word? That's right, that word is has. All right, good job, first graders. Now what we're going to do is you need a pencil. You'll need a writing instrument, all right? So we're going to do our test, okay? So I'm going to read you the test and you're going to fill it in, okay? One second, guys, sorry. All right, guys. All right, sorry, guys. You should have a paper that looks like this. All right, for number 1, are you ready? You're going to write the sound. Ch, ch. Right, what it says, ch. All right, number 2, I, I, I. All right, number 3, all, all. Number 4, ah, ah. All right, number 5, z, z. All right, number 6 through 10, you're going to have words, and you're going to have to mark them, okay? Remember, put a star above the bonus letter, put a box around the glued sound or your welded sounds, and underline the diagraphs. All right, your first word is chill. Tap it out first. Ready? Ch-I-L, chill. All right, write it on number 6. Remember, guys, you can pause the video anytime you need to. Chill. All right, number 7. Lash. Let's tap it out. L-ash. Lash. Lash. Good job. All right. Number 8. Puff. Here we go. Puff. Right, puff on number 8. All right, number 9. Fall. All. Fall. Okay, guys, don't forget to be marking your words. Lowercase letters. Okay, your last word, number 10. Lock. L-ock. Lock. Don't forget to mark it. All right, guys, on the back side. On the back side, you have 11 and 12. You have 11 and 12. All right, so what you're going to do, are you ready? Remember, you're going to write your sentences. You can use your octopus book and word wall, okay? But you guys might not have that. So, I'm going to help you with these words. They, I'm going to circle it. Okay? You guys have to fill in the rest. They will toss the, it's a trick word, so I'm going to circle it, ball to me. Okay? Don't forget, what do you need at the end of a sentence? They will toss the ball to me. All right, pause that and write that. They will toss the ball to me. All right, number 12. Get ready. Your, start with a capital U. It's a trick word. I'm going to help you. Your pack. Okay, pack. Remember, if you don't know a word, tap it out. Your pack is, oh, and is a sight word. I-S. Is a is a sight word too. Mess. Okay, so write mess. And then make sure you have your punctuation mark at the end. Your pack is a mess. All right, good job, first graders. I'm